What do the 2021 Edge dashboard warning and indicator lights signify? Providing alerts for vehicle system updates, maintenance reminders, and urgent warnings to ensure safe driving.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Front airbag, anti-lock brake system. Brake system. Blind spot monitor, electric park brake. Door ajar, engine coolant temperature. Oil pressure.
Distance indication.
Fasten seatbelt, battery. Hood ajar.
Diesel exhaust fluid.
Low tire pressure warning, low fuel level. Low washer, fluid level, powertrain fault. Stability and traction control. Adaptive cruise control, automatic headlamp, high beam. Auto start stop, high beam. Hill start assist.
Differential lock.
Side marker lamps, turn signal lamps.
Cross traffic, alert indicator. Cruise control. Direction indicator, eco mode, indicator. Efficient drive mode, indicator. Front fog, lamp indicator. Hazard flasher indicator, high beam indicator. Lamps on indicator. Lane keeping aid, indicator. Lane keeping alert, indicator. Malfunction indicator. Lamp, mud or ruts, mode indicator. Ready to drive indicator. Slippery mode indicator. Stability, control, and traction control indicator.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.